a celebration of Indian culture, cuisine and heritage here in Kuwait. What we see around us today is much more than an event. It is a living expression of India's spirit, lovingly brought to life by our incredible Indian community. Bharat Mera is a festival of togetherness, a showcase of the energy and enterprise that Indians bring wherever they go. From traditional crafts to the rhythms of classical dance to the aromas of Indian cuisine, this Mela captures the essence of our heritage and our pride in being Indian. The Indian community in Kuwait is truly exceptional. A round of applause to the exceptional Indian community in Kuwait. Over the years, you have not only contributed immensely to Kuwait's progress and prosperity in healthcare, education, business, technology, and every field, but you have also built bridges of friendship and understanding between our peoples. The warmth, discipline, and harmony that define the Indian diaspora here are a source of pride for all of us. I take this opportunity to sincerely thank the government and the people of Kuwait for their continued support, kindness, and respect for the Indian community. Our relationship is strengthened each day, not just by official cooperation, but by the bonds of
Our relationship is strengthened each day, not just by official cooperation, but by the bonds of trust and affection shared between our citizens. India and Kuwait have a long and cherished friendship rooted in centuries of trade, culture, and shared values. As India marches forward in its journey of Amrit Kal towards Viksit Bharat and Kuwait advances towards its Vision 2035, we see tremendous potential to grow together in trade, energy, innovation, and above all, in human connection. Today, Excellencies, colleagues, and friends is about celebration. It's about laughter, belonging, food, fun, and above all, community. About the rhythm of India beating strong in Kuwait. I hope Bharat Mela brings joy to every family here and inspires the next generation to carry forward the story of India with pride and love.
I'm sorry, ये कल भी हुआ था. मुझे थोड़ा खांसी है. I have a bad cold. I didn't want to not share my joy with all of you. But before I conclude, I would like to request dear members of the Indian community to join us in the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam initiative and let us know about ideas and suggestions of making this happen in Kuwait. Friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and congratulations to all participating community associations, volunteers, cultural coordinators, artists and sponsors whose dedication and hard work made this event a reality. Your efforts are a shining example of what unity and creativity can achieve.